Good evening guys, and vault today's video about Stellar. Stellar XLM is a mid-position digital money as of now valued at $0.137643 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $3,415,487,133. As currently referenced, XLM is a mid-position cryptographic money since it by involves the 25th spot in worldwide digital currency rankings, the metric not entirely set in stone, by duplicating the ongoing cost by the market capitalization of the advanced resource. On account of Stellar, the market capitalization remains at $3,415,487,133. The significance of this boundary will be made sense of later. Recently, on May 13, XLM was esteemed at $0.120930 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Recall that cryptographic forms of money are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically finishes at 12 p.m. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period added up to 2.51%. 7 days prior, on May 7, Stellar was exchanged at $0.171294 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that near its current position. On April 14, which was by and large a month prior, the examiners exchanged XLM at $0.196520, the cost level that is at the distance of 29.96% from where it presently stands. Recently, on May 13, the market capitalization of Stellar remained at $2,999,114,871. 7 days prior, on May 7, the capitalization of XLM was $4,247,711,433. A month prior, on April 14, how much capital streaming around this specific market added up to $4,860,816,399. The most extreme inventory of Stellar is 50,001,806,812 XLM. The complete stockpile of XLM at present stands at 50,001,787,820 coins. The flowing inventory of the digital money under audit is 24,814,035,771 XLM. Throughout the course of recent hours, the exchanging volume on the Stellar market was enlisted at $230,869,942. Recently, on May 13, XLM had an exchanging volume of $560,230,473. 7 days prior, on May 7, the normal day-to-day exchanging volume on that market added up to $265,368,272. One of the most famous coins of the digital forms of money is the Stellar coin, which is a public chain that empowers assets to be moved and saved. Further in this video, you will learn about Stellar price prediction and some essential yet significant data. This coin is sending off with a mean to make it with raising monetary development by surrendering the universe's unbanked. However, later, its points change to supporting monetary associations to join with one another by aiding the innovation of blockchain. The chain's essential imprint, lumens, functions as a stage that conveys it less expensive to buy resources past limits. All of this proposes to animate getting through installment suppliers, who for the most part sell high charges for related help. Additionally, the coin depends on the convention of the Ripple Labs. This coin was created as a result of the hard lance, and the code was therefore updated. Discussing the designer and maker of this coin, the Stellar coin was established by Jed McCaleb, alongside the assistance of legal advisor Joyce Kim. They makes the coin subsequent to resigning Ripple in 2013 over clashes about the association's future move. Stellar has been in the market beginning around 2014. The coin has shown monstrous promising and less promising times. In any case, the coin is incredibly beneficial, and it holds 29th in depicting the explanation in reverse. Stellar, Mr. McCaleb said in an articulation that the full exceptional example of Stellar is that you can have order cash and different assortments of types of cost run in comparability with any remaining and with crypto resources. Jed McCaleb works himself as Stellar's CTO and furthermore filled in as the Stellar Development Foundation's prime supporter. Heavenly price prediction. In the event that we check the coin's the present cost, we found that in the beyond 24 hours the coin arrives at the most exorbitant cost of $0.4481 with the least cost of $0.2762 and the contrast between both of the costs is least. Presently, on the off chance that we see the month-to-month prices of the coin comes to the most elevated of $0.7965 alongside the low cost of $0.2762. Presently, in each psyches a principal and significant inquiry has risen that from where they can without much of a stretch buy this coin, then the response for this question is that they can undoubtedly exchange the coin through the top trades like Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, Bitfinex, Bittrex, UOB and Upbit. This chain is watched by applying the convention of the Stellar consensus that is characterized as holding four-head resources like adaptable trust, low dormancy, asymptotic security, and decentralized control. By perusing Stellar cost expectations you will actually want to settle on the ideal choices. Heavenly Coin Price Prediction 2022. Presently, the possibilities of the coin showing a few significant changes in the forthcoming year are extremely high. Indeed, a few specialists have previously dissected the coin appropriately and guarantee that it can possibly arrive at another cost mark without any problem. Seeing the vacillation in the cost of this astonishing coin will intrigue. The normal cost of XLM in the year 2022 is $0.442320764112. Where to buy XLM? There are heaps of financial backers constantly looking to know where to purchase this astounding digital money. Indeed, assuming you are additionally anticipating knowing this term, Stellar XLM is accessible in Binance, OKEx, CoinTiger, FTX, and Huobi Global. Where I can hold my Stellar coins. This, however, many individuals persistently looking to know where they can hold Stellar XLM. Indeed, to know this term then you can hold your coins at Ledger, Treasure, Math Wallet, Trust Wallet, Coinbase, Safipal, Freighter, Atomic Wallet. Is Stellar scam or legit? The value changes of the previous year obviously show that the coin isn't a trick. We can see that the gamble in putting resources into this coin isn't a lot of high yet medium. Indeed, on the off chance that you put resources into Stellar XLM, you can acquire huge benefits too, as you can likewise get a few weighty misfortunes. Prior to putting resources into this coin, ensure you are proficient to lose your cash and procure benefit. What is the future potential of Stellar? The conclusion of this coin obviously expressed that Stellar XLM will be beneficial for the brokers in the wake of money management. Assuming you are contemplating its true capacity, it can possibly introduce a major benefits to every one of the financial backers in the impending years. Presently, in the event that you put resources into this coin today, you have numerous potential outcomes to procure a few tremendous profits from your venture. Our Stellar price prediction can be incorrect, which implies you ought to contribute after your own exploration.